The Ulefone Armor 12 5G runs on Android OS v11.0 out of the box. It comes with a LiPo 5180 mAh non-removable battery. It features a 6.52 inches IPS display with 720x1600px resolution. The IPS technology is one of the most leading LCD technologies in the world. Armor 12 5G is 3G and 4G capable. This smartphone has a built-in GPS receiver. GPS is a satellite-based navigation system that allows the determination of the exact geographical location on Earth. The Armor 12 5G comes with near-field communications (NFC) functionality for transferring content with other NFC-enabled devices. This Ulefone smartphone has FM radio receiver. Beautifully crafted, Ulefone 12 5G smartphone carries a new design with an X element inscribed at several places across the device. Furthermore, it is bundled with Dimensity 700 5G SoC, 8GB RAM, and 128GB internal storage. A large 6.52-inch display with a waterdrop notch is present to offer a vivid viewing experience. The smartphone houses a 5180 mAh battery with support for 18W fast charging and 15W wireless charging. In the camera department, the smartphone carries support for a 48MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide sensor, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor to add a bokeh effect to your photos. Ulefone Armor 12 5G smartphone comes with an antibacterial silver ion-based additive to keep you at bay from unwanted germs. The presence of dual hi-fi speakers enhance the sound experience. Some basic features such as fingerprint sensor, NFC, quad navigation system are also part of the smartphone. It runs on Android 11 OS.